kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I will teach you how to play an audio song from your Firebase database inside your Android activity. Alright guys, so if you have a lot of songs in your if you have a lot of audio files in your Firebase storage, okay, and if you want to play those audio files from your Firebase in your Android activity, so I will show you that. Alright guys, so let's get started. So as I already have a file, let me play it.
Created with free version for non-commercial use.
Alright, so there is a delay. This is the audio file. Okay, this is the audio file which I am going to first of all upload the file, and after that we will we will play that inside our Android activity. Alright, so let's go down to our Firebase storage, and in here we need to upload the file, so I will just upload it. Okay, and it's of 7 MB and it will take some time here. Okay, in the meanwhile let's go to Android Studio, and from here let's create the code. So for here I am in main activity. Okay, so here I will drag a button, a temporary button. Okay, when the user clicks on that button, so the audio file will be played. So for that let's create a method for button click event. So we can say public void play song. Alright, so first of all what you will need is a MediaPlayer class. So we can say MediaPlayer to new MediaPlayer. Alright, and then we need to set the data source. So we can say MediaPlayer dot set data source, and we can set the link of our video song inside that. Alright, and it is saying us unhandled exception, so we need to use the try catch block, and inside that we will just cut that and paste it above. Alright, and after that we need to use MediaPlayer dot set on prepared listener new on prepared listener, and in our on prepared method we just need to use this MPs the MediaPlayer object. So we can say MediaPlayer dot start. Alright, after that what we need to do is we need to go down there, and we just need to say MediaPlayer dot prepare. Alright, so that's it guys. This is the code of playing any. So we just need to paste the URL of our video song. So let me first of all set the on click method here. So we can say on click and play song. Alright, let's see if the song is uploaded or not. Okay, so guys, this file is successfully uploaded, and here you need to go to file location, and you need to just click on that and it will be copied, okay, to the clipboard. So now return to your Android Studio and go to your main activity, and here just paste it. Alright, so let's try to run our application. Let me open SideSync application so that I show you. Alright, so now my phone is connected. So let's try to run. Okay, so now our application is running. So let me click on the button here. So I have
Created with free version for non-commercial use.
So as you guys can see that now the audio file is being played here. So there is a gap, so as you can hear, so you can see that the audio file is now being played here. Alright, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.
Created.